This Makita 10 inches dual slide compound miter saw delivers large cutting capacity and accuracy right out of the box. With the LS1018, you'll get all the cutting performance you need in a sliding compound saw, but with less weight, only 43.7 pounds, for increased portability. Jobs like cutting baseboards and crown molding are a snap, but they also can cut 4x4 dimensional lumber in one pass. It's ideal for fine woodworking, carpentry, general construction, and more. This Makita is powered by a 13.0 amp direct drive motor with a soft start. A key point of difference. This means smoother startups and constant power with no belts to slip or replace. The electric brake provides added convenience. This Makita will tackle the most demanding jobs while keeping production high. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful 13.0 amp direct drive motor requires less maintenance and delivers 4,300 RPM. Number 2. Miters 0 degrees to 47 degrees left and 0 degrees to 60 degrees right, with positive stops at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, 45 degrees. Number 3. Linear ball bearing system engineered to deliver dead-on accurate cuts. Number 4. The rear handle bevel lock is easily accessible and adjusts 0 degrees to 45 degrees with positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees. Number 5. Cuts up to 12 inches at 90 degrees and 8 to 12 inches at 45 degrees. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.